What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best budget smartphones that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Motorola Moto G Stylus establishes itself as a prominent player in the budget smartphone market, offering a compelling amalgamation of features that sets it apart. Boasting an expansive 6.6-inch LCD screen with a robust resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels, delivering a pixel per inch density of 3.99, the phone is available in two appealing shades, classic cosmic black and elegant rose champagne. A unique highlight is the inclusion of a stylus, making the Moto G Stylus an excellent choice for artists and professionals. The stylus offers a soft touch and glides effortlessly on the glass screen, facilitating digital art creation and quick note-taking. The phone is equipped with 6 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, ensuring swift performance, speedy app loading, fluid OS navigation, and decent gaming capabilities, although some variants come with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Powering the Moto G Stylus 5G is a 5000 mAh battery, showcasing remarkable endurance with an impressive usage test result of 13 hours and 20 minutes. Notably, the phone can record 4K videos at 30 FPS and supports various recording modes, including super slow motion at 720p and 240 FPS. Running on Android 13 with a promised update to Android 14 and a commitment to 3 years of security updates, the Moto G Stylus 5G combines budget-friendliness with essential features, presenting a compelling option for users seeking a reliable and versatile smartphone without compromising on key functionalities. The Samsung Galaxy A14 5G positions itself as a formidable player in the realm of cost-effective smartphones, aiming for the title of the best budget smartphone. Despite its affordability, Samsung ensures that essential features are not compromised. The device boasts durability, a robust screen, a satisfactory primary camera, and long-term software assurance, making it a compelling option for budget-conscious consumers. Physically, the Galaxy A14 5G is a substantial handset with a 6.6-inch display housed within thick bezels, featuring a unique textured plastic back adorned with large concentric circles. This design not only contributes to its distinct aesthetic appeal but also provides excellent grip and resistance against smudges. The unconventional camera setup focuses on a single 50-megapixel wide sensor, eschewing additional ultra-wide or telephoto backups. Despite this departure, the results are impressive, capturing well-balanced and detailed photos, particularly in good lighting conditions. The 13-megapixel front-facing camera also delivers satisfactory, natural-looking images. The device is equipped with a sizable 5000 mAh battery, paired with a 7nm processor capable of powering through a full day of intensive use. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G offers remarkable value for money, solidifying its position as a strong contender in the competitive budget smartphone market. Introducing the Google Pixel 7a, unanimously acclaimed as the top budget smartphone, this model brings several significant enhancements to the table. A standout feature is the upgraded 90Hz display, offering smoother motion and heightened brightness. While not matching the 120Hz screen of the Galaxy A54 5G, the improvement elevates the Pixel 7a's display, significantly enhancing the user experience in daily interactions. The Pixel 7a features a 6.1-inch OLED panel, an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance, and the latest custom chipset from Google, the Tensor G2. It guarantees 3 years of OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates. With a slightly larger build than its predecessor, the 7a maintains a 6.1-inch screen, surrounded by thicker bezels constructed with a sturdy aluminum frame. Protected by Gorilla Glass 3 in the front and composite plastic at the back, the device can withstand minor water submersion, thanks to its IP67 rating. The 6.1-inch 1080p OLED screen boasts a maximum refresh rate of 90 Hz, offering a smoother experience, especially for users transitioning from standard 60 Hz screens. Powered by a 4,385 mAh battery, the Pixel 7a ensures prolonged usage, now with the added convenience of wireless charging, a first for the A series. The camera system is a standout feature, featuring a new 64-megapixel primary rear camera with optical image stabilization, delivering excellent photos across various lighting conditions. In conclusion, the Google Pixel 7a offers top-notch performance at an exceptional price-to-quality ratio, solidifying its position as the best budget smartphone with noteworthy improvements across display, battery, and camera capabilities. The OnePlus Nord N30 5G emerges as a top pick for a mid-range budget smartphone, delivering an impressive combination of features. Compatible with Verizon and AT&T 5G networks when choosing the unlocked version, the device is equipped with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, ensuring smooth performance and ample storage capacity. While the Nord N30's plastic materials may not convey a high-end feel, its affordability is evident upon holding the device. The glossy finish on the back, while prone to fingerprints and dust, does not compromise the overall design. The phone features a sizable 6.72-inch LCD display with a high refresh rate option, enhancing the user experience without a significant impact on battery life. Despite its budget status, the Nord N30 doesn't compromise on camera quality. Powered by the Samsung S5 HM6 the 108-megapixel main lens rivals flagship devices, and the 3-time lossless zoom adds versatility. While the camera tends to overexpose shots, manual adjustments can maintain depth and capture high-quality photos. The 2-megapixel depth sensor contributes to decent edge detection in portrait mode. In conclusion, the OnePlus Nord N30 5G stands out as a budget-friendly yet feature-packed smartphone, excelling in areas such as battery lifespan, display size, and camera capabilities, making it a compelling choice for mid-range smartphone seekers. The Samsung Galaxy A54 stands out as the second-best budget smartphone, combining affordability with impressive functionality. Its 6.4-inch display, powered by an octa-core processor, delivers a delightful user experience for daily tasks and casual gaming. The device's lime green design adds a touch of allure, contributing to its visual appeal. With 128GB of storage, the Galaxy A54 caters to most users' needs, and the option to expand via a microSD card up to 1TB provides flexibility for those requiring extra space. While lacking the solid grip of some competitors, the phone's IP67 water resistance ensures durability, safeguarding it against accidental spills or rain showers. The 6.4-inch vibrant screen, larger than the Pixel 6a's, offers excellent readability even in direct sunlight, making it ideal for mobile gaming and video streaming. Powered by a Exynos 1380 processor and 6GB of RAM, the device delivers reasonable performance within its budget constraints, running on Android 13 with Samsung's intuitive One UI software. Pre-installed apps, including popular ones like Disney+, TikTok, and Booking.com, enhance the user experience. The 5,000 mAh battery ensures a full day of use, and the phone supports expandable storage, a notable advantage for users looking to augment their storage. The triple camera setup, featuring a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro lens, captures sharp images and facilitates effective 2x digital zoom. The 32-megapixel selfie camera adds to the device's photography capabilities. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G excels as an attractive and functional budget smartphone, offering practical features and performance at a compelling price point.